Kia ora, and welcome to Te Whariwānanga o Waitaha, the University of Canterbury. We're looking forward to seeing you at Rā Tōmene Open Day. Tōmene means to explore, inspect, and take a look around. We're here to give you some tips to help you make the most out of your day. If you're driving, free parking available all across campus. If you're travelling from Christchurch Airport, our free return bus service will pick you up and return you later that day. Make sure you book your seat in advance. You can find out how on our website. When you arrive on campus, start one of our welcome trails where you'll be greeted by our friendly team. You can find welcome trail locations on the map on our website. We have lots happening to help you get a good feel for UC. Our recipe for a successful day is 2 to 3 sessions, a tour, lunch, and visit the Info Hub. The Info Hub is located on Central Campus. It's your go-to spot for subject advice, student services, directions, or any questions. We'll have guided campus group tours leaving throughout the day. If you're thinking about living in our halls of residence, you can join an accommodation tour by jumping on our hop-on, hop-off bus on the corner of Science and Engineering Roads. You can visit faculty buildings and attend information sessions to learn more about our study options. Sessions are popular and often fill up, so we recommend registering in advance. Don't worry if a session is full, recordings will be available to watch online later. With so much to see, don't forget to give yourself some time to relax and experience the campus atmosphere. Grab lunch and take a breather at our Central Campus food market and entertainment area. If you're staying on in Ōtautahi Christchurch, we hope you take some time to explore the city and get a feel for what student life is like here. We look forward to welcoming you to UC. See you soon.